What is this one?
I don't know. You have to see.
What's that? See? That one?
That's all. Who's that? Look. Who's this? Who's that?
That's me. That's me. This one. This is all I like. Christmas applesauce.
Crisscross applesauce. This is Ella. Hold on. It's coming. What's that? Hold on, baby. It's not working.
It is doing pictures. See?
Hey, can you show me, can you do the little Indian song? I'm a little Indian. Can you do that one so me and Ma can see it?
No, I don't want ballet.
You want to do ballet?
Hey!
I'm a little Indian.
No, I do ballet.
You're making me dizzy.
No. Hey, Mama.
I'm a little Indian.
No.
On the go.
No.
Here, now do it.
Whoa.
Here, back up and do it so you can see yourself.
Whoa. No.
Back up and do it. I'm a little Indian.
Oh, okay. I'm a little Indian on a go. Here is my arrow, here is my bow. I will go hunting, then I saw better buffalo, better ask about.
Yay! Bravo!
Okay, good. Again.
Can you see yourself?
Uh-huh.
Do another face. Can you stick your tongue out?
No.
Say peek-a-butt. Say peek-a-butt.
Peek-a-butt!
I see his little cottontail butt.
Mimo make this? Daddy bear it?
Yeah, Daddy bought that.
For me?
Mm-hmm.
A surprise?
Yeah, a surprise.
Being nice in the airport?
Yeah, he got it from the airport, that's right. I can't believe you remember that. What's his name?
Bunny Bop.
Oh.
Say, boing! Ah!
at his head. I can't see. This is the camera right here. See? You put him in front of the camera. Like this. Ooh.
I'll make one. Boo boo. Hello.
Let me see your peek-a butt.
I can do it.